Okay, guys. So what do you notice? As we discuss the problems, make some observations of what happens to the signs when multiplying positive and negative integers. So if I multiply positive 3 times positive 6, I get positive 18. If I multiply negative 5 times negative 4, that equals a positive 20. And then again, if I multiply positive 6 times positive 2, that gets positive 12, okay? For multiplication, you're going to start seeing this dot, or you could just see parentheses. So if we're looking, here I have a positive and a positive, here I have a negative and a negative, and here I have a positive and a positive. It looks like to me, if I multiply and they have the same sign, my answer, my product, is going to be positive. And that's kind of what this multiplication bear represents. When you multiply two negatives, and that's why it's shaded in, you get a positive. Okay, and we've already known if you multiply two positive numbers together, you're going to get a positive. Okay, so down here, when multiplying integers with the same sign, the answer will always be positive. Okay, so let's go down here and look at the second half. I got a negative 4 times positive 6. That's going to equal a negative 24. I got a positive 10 times a negative 8. That equals a negative 80. I got a negative 3 times a positive 9. That equals a negative 27. So let's look at the multiplication bear. I'm shading in a negative and a positive, and it shows me that I'm left with a negative. So that means my answer is negative. Again, for this one, I have a positive 10 and negative 8. I shade those in. I'm left with the negative sign. For the last one, I've got a negative 3 and a positive 9. When I shade those in, what am I left with? A negative. So it looks like to me when you multiply integers with different signs, the product will be negative.